Hello there, materialistic minions. Me, Beau, coming to you today with these glasses from Eyebuydirect. These specifically are the Botanist glasses. You can see what makes these distinct are the wood type texture. The wood grains kind of running through there. They aren't real wood, obviously. They are plastic. But that's what it looks like on that side, and then that side as well, and then the front are kind of wood. Now I would give these probably a 3 out of 5 stars, simply because normally I get the medium-sized frame, and yet they're just too large. And when I kind of shake my head like this, they slowly start coming down. And so if you are one of those people who always has to be adjusting your glasses and putting them up like that, you're gonna have to do that with these all the time. There's just something kind of slippery about them. And within 5 minutes, unless you don't mind adjusting them constantly, which I mind that, they're gonna come down to your nose like this. So I would not recommend these glasses. They look awesome. The prescription is 100% dead on. I can see beautifully out of them. It's just that they're always going to be slipping down like that. So that's a shame. 3 out of 5 stars. Go over and look at my other recommendations that I have on glasses that don't actually slip down and yet are incredibly comfortable. And I got for, I think the others I got for like 35 bucks, and that's with the actual upgraded lenses too. So that's it. These are the Botanist glasses. Hopefully this helps. Beau out.